Good morning, students. Welcome to my class of Standard 9, subject Mathematics, Part 2, Chapter 3, Triangles. My dear students, today we are going to study practice set 3.5. But before solving practice set 3.5, you should know about the similarity of triangles. This similarity of triangles is very important, okay, because you have in 10th standard in Maths 2 chapter 1 similarity. Totally the chapter is based on similarity only, okay. So you should know the concept related to this now in similarity. Of course, in 10th standard you have vast concept, but in 9th standard only one concept is given to you, okay, that is based on similarity. My dear students, from the word itself, similarity, from the word itself you come to know another word, that is similar. Now when two geometrical figure looks similar, they come under similarity. Especially we are talking about the triangles. Now here you can see one big triangle ABC and one small triangle PQR, but both the triangles, they are looking alike, they are looking same, so that these triangles will come in similarity. Now congruency is different. As you know, you have studied about congruency of triangle. In this chapter only you have studied, and I explain you in detail about the congruency, okay. Now congruency is different and similarity is different, okay. In similarity you are taking the sides in proportion, in ratio, okay. Now for example, now triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Your similar sign is like this. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is a sign of similar, okay. And you know congruent sign. Congruent sign is like this. This is a sign of congruent, okay. This is a sign of similar. So when two triangles are similar, their sides are in proportion. Sides are in proportion means what? AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ will be equal to AC upon PR. Corresponding sides are in proportion. You can see is equal to BC upon QR, okay. So these are the corresponding sides. They are not congruent. Again and again I am saying they are in proportion, they are in ratio. In similarity, sides are in proportion and all angles are congruent. As you know, angle A will be congruent to angle P, corresponding angle. Angle A ka corresponding angle, you know, it is P. Angle B will be congruent to angle Q. Angle C will be congruent to angle R. These are the congruent, means corresponding angles are congruent, and here corresponding sides are in proportion, okay. So this you have to keep in mind. This concept you have to keep in mind for exercise 3.5. If you want to study 3.5, you should know this concept, okay. So once again I am saying, in similarity two triangles will look similar. They are not congruent, but they will look similar, and sides are in proportion, okay. How to take sides are in proportion? You can take from this also, AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, okay, and AC upon PR. Anyhow you can take it, okay. First two, then second, third. You can see here, it is written here. Then first and last. See, okay. So you can take like this also. Now come to practice at 3.5. First sum, very simple sum. Two triangles are similar. It is given in the question. In question it is given, and you want corresponding angles and ratio of corresponding sides. My dear students, now you know very well, okay, which are the corresponding angles. So angle X is congruent to angle L. Okay, angle X is congruent to angle L. Second, angle Y, single letter. Angle Y is congruent to angle M, and angle Z is congruent to angle N. So these are the corresponding angles. Now ratio of corresponding sides. You know how to take ratio of corresponding sides. First two from here, then first two from here. XY upon LM is equal to YZ upon MN. Second, third, here also second, third is equal to first and last XZ upon LN. So these are the ratio of corresponding sides, and these are the angles. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to practice set 3.5, sum number 2. Here triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, now you know very well, when two triangles are similar, all angles are congruent and sides are in proportion. So here in this sum we don't want angles. Okay, we want only sides. So XY upon PQ is equal to YZ upon QR is equal to XZ upon PR. So when two triangles are similar, sides are in proportion, and therefore all values are given. XY is 4, PQ is 8, YZ is 6, QR is not given, XZ is 5, and PR is not given. You have to find the side QR and side PR. Okay, so it is very easy. First you will take this two ratio. Okay, now 4 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon QR, and therefore QR is equal to, you know, cross multiplication. All of you know cross multiplication. 8 into 6 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So you will get QR is equal to 12. Okay. Also, now you will take first and last. Also, 4 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon PR. Okay, 4 upon 8 equal to 5 upon PR. First and last you will take. First you will take first and second. Okay, now first and last. Now cross multiplication. You know, PR is equal to 8 into 5 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are, and therefore PR is equal to 10. So very easily you got the answer. QR 12 and PR 10. Copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 3. Okay, this is the last sum of this practice set. You have to draw a sketch of pair of similar triangles. These two are similar triangles. Label them. So we have labeled them also. We have given the names also. And show the corresponding angles by sign. You have to show it by sign. So this angle corresponding, angle A correspond to angle P. Okay, then angle B correspond to angle Q. then angle C correspond to angle R. So we showed like this also with by sign. And show the length of the corresponding sides by number. You have to show the length of the corresponding sides by number. So I am giving here 2, 4, 8. Any number you can give. And here I will give half of this 2, 1. Here I will give half of this 4, 2. And here I will give half of 8, 4. 1, 2, 4. Okay. Just you have to draw the diagram. And you have to show these angles by sign and numbers, sides by number. Sum is completed. Okay, now come to problem set 3, sum number 2. I would like to show you sum number 2. Diagram is not given. Diagram you have to draw. Okay, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. See, it is given AB is equal to AC and seg BD and seg CE are medians. They are the medians. Okay, and you want to prove that, show that BD is equal to CE. So it is very simple sum actually, but I want to show you because it is new for you. So here in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. This is given. So first of all you will take the help of given. AB equal to AC. Therefore AB का opposite angle, AB का opposite angle is C and AC का opposite angle is B. Okay, so AB का opposite angle आता है C, मतलब ACB. Therefore angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. This is called isosceles triangle theorem. Okay, this is called isosceles triangle theorem. Why? You know, two sides are equal. अगर two sides same होता है, that means two angles are also same. That is करके we will take short name. Angle DCB is equal to angle EBC. Short name we will take because we need this. Okay, number will give 1. Same angles with different name. Angle is same, but name is different. Okay. Also, half of AB is equal to half of AC. Okay, full side is same, so half of AB equal to half of AC. So half of AB means which side? Half of AB matlab you will take B. B is equal to, and half of AC means you will take CD. Okay, 2. After showing this, after completing this, you have to prove two triangles. You know how to prove two triangles as I taught you. Congruency test you have to apply. Okay, congruency test. So you will select two triangles. Which two triangles you will select? You know, in triangle BDC. Now, in triangle BDC and triangle CEB. First condition. Your first condition will be in triangle BDC. This CD is congruent to seg B. Okay, from 2 you can see here, from 2 यहां से लिया हमने इसको यहां से ले लिया. Okay, second condition, your second condition will be angle DCB is congruent to angle EBC from 1. Okay, this we took from 1, this we took from 2. Okay, now third condition, there is no place, I am writing here. Third condition, sec BC is congruent to sec BC. This is, you know, common side, and therefore triangle BDC is congruent to triangle CEB by which test, you know, side angle side, SAS test, and therefore you will get sec BD is congruent to sec C. This is called corresponding sides of congruent triangles. That is BD is equal to C. That is करके equal बताने का. We don't want to show congruent. Here we want to show equal बताना है हमको. इधर equal. तो इसके लिए equal बताने का. That is करके. We got the answer. Answer मिल गया. But we want to show like this. Same. Copy it down. First you will take the help of isosceles triangle theorem. ये आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल थ्योरम का हेल्प लिया, ओके, फिर उसको हाफ कर दिया, एंगल को हमने यहां से शुरू कर दिया, ओके, सेम एंगल्स विद डिफरेंट नेम, ये सेम एंगल्स विद डिफरेंट नेम, फिर साइड्स का हाफ कर दिया तो ये मिल गया. देन यू हैव टू प्रूव टू ट्रायंगल्स, ये वाला BDC एंड CEB, इसको प्रूव करने का, साइड एंगल साइड टेस्ट से प्रूव करने का. देन यू विल गेट दिस आंसर. Copy it down. Okay, now my dear students, I would like to solve sum number 8 from the problem set. Okay, why I am solving this sum? Because it is very hard sum. Okay, that is why I am solving this sum. So please see very carefully. Okay, you in 8 sum you want to show that angle DAE is equal to half of angle B plus half of angle B minus half of angle B minus angle C. You want to show this. Okay, so please pay attention. It is told that AE is the bisector. This is the bisector of angle BAC. Okay, here sec AE is the bisector of angle BAC. इसका bisector है. Therefore, you will get what, you know? You will get two angles same. Which two angles same? Angle BAE is equal to angle EAC. These two angles are same. Number I am giving 1. Again I am saying because it is a bisector. So bisector means what you know very well now. So these two angles are same. ये angle और ये angle. These two angles are same. Okay. BA is equal to EAC. Also, angle AEB is an exterior angle for triangle EAC. ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल हो गया. AEB is exterior angle. Okay, you know remote interior angle theorem. So therefore angle AEB is equal to angle C. This angle C plus angle EAC. Okay, this is called remote interior angle theorem. Okay, this you know. There therefore angle AEB is equal to angle C plus, instead of EAC we will take angle BAE. Okay, instead of EAC we will take angle BAE. Okay, from 1, मतलब 1 से हमने रिप्लेस किया उसको, ये एंगल को हमने रिप्लेस करके ये ले लिया. ओके, नाउ दिस विल कम हियर बिकम्स माइनस, दिस will come here becomes minus. So angle AEB minus angle BAE is equal to angle C. Okay, इसको देने का नंबर 2, because this is important step. Okay, C चाहिए ना हमको, this is important step. So this will come here becomes minus, ये पूरा इधर आके माइनस हो गया. Is that clear till here all of you? Copy it down. Okay, now after this you will take the help of this triangle AEB. Okay, in triangle AEB, or you can write BAE also. Is that clear? Now in triangle BAE, this triangle BAE or AEB, anyhow you can write. So angle B, you know sum of the measure of three angle is 180. Angle B plus angle BAE plus angle AEB is equal to 180 degree. You know sum of the measure of three angles 180. Reason, sum of the measures of angles in triangle. Okay, sum of the measure of three angle is 180. See very carefully, huh? B, angle B, angle BAE and angle AEB. Sum of the measure of three angles 180. Now B you have to keep separately. ये सब उधर चले जाएगा. All will go there. So you will get what you know. Therefore angle B is equal to 180 degree minus angle BAE. This will go there, becomes minus. ये भी उधर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस एंगल AEB. ओके, ये दोनों भी उधर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा. इज दैट क्लियर? यू विल गिव नंबर 3. ओके, नाउ subtracting 2 from 3. Subtracting 2 from 3. 2 from 3 मतलब from 3 मतलब पहला ये लिखने का एंगल B फर्स्ट. ओके, माइनस एंगल C. ओके, एंगल B minus angle C. Okay, angle B minus angle C. Here we want angle B minus angle C. So angle B minus angle C is equal to B का पहला लेने का 180 डिग्री minus angle BAE minus angle AEB. Okay, and this two minus angle AEB. Minus becomes plus, huh? Minus becomes plus angle BAE. Okay, otherwise you have to keep minus sign and then you have to keep this in bracket, then you will open the bracket. So to reduce the one step directly I have done ये माइनस में गया और ये माइनस हो गया प्लस. ओके, now what you will get now? What will get cancelled? What will get cancelled? Plus BAE and minus BAE will get cancel. So you will get angle B minus angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 2 angle AEB. 1 plus 1 is 2, na? So minus 2 angle AEB. Okay, this I will rub now. Dividing both the sides by 2. Dividing both the sides by 2. If you divide both the sides by 2, you will get 1 upon 2 half, means half angle B minus half angle C is equal to 90 minus angle AEB. You will get like this. Half angle B minus half angle C is equal to 90 minus angle AEB. Please copy it down till here. Sum is little big. Okay. After this again last part is there. After this again last part is there. Very big sum it is. That is why I have selected. You have to practice this sum more. Then only you will understand. Otherwise you will not understand this sum. Please copy it down. Subtracting 2 from 3. Huh? Okay. Okay, now dividing both the side by 2. After doing this, you will get half angle B minus half angle C is equal to 90 minus angle AEB. So this I have written it here again. Half is common. Okay, half is common. Angle B minus angle C. You can see. Okay, is equal to 90 minus, instead of AEB, AEB. I have written AED. Same angles. Okay, same angles with different name. Same angles with different name. Okay, now I will rub it here. This I will rub. Okay. Achha, now last part. You will take in triangle AED. AED. Okay, sum of the measure of three angle is 180. Angle DAE plus angle ADE plus angle AED is equal to 180 degree. Reason you know, sum of the measures of angles. Full reason you have to write. Okay, and therefore angle DAE plus ADE is 90. This is 90. Okay, plus angle AED is equal to 180 degree. 90 will go there, becomes minus. Therefore angle DAE plus angle AED is equal to 180 degree minus 90. You will get angle DAE plus angle AED is equal to 90. Now this will go there, becomes minus, and therefore angle DAE is equal to 90 degree minus angle AED. Okay, see here. Now for this number, I think so this number is 3, na? Number will be 3 or 4. See it properly. Okay, 4. This is 5. Okay, from 4 and 5 you can check it. 90 minus AED, here also 90 minus AED. From 4 and 5 you got the answer. See, angle DAE is equal to half of angle B minus C. Okay, we got the answer. See, from 4 and 5. Copy it down. You will take the help of this triangle, middle triangle, AED or AD. Anyhow you can give the name. Name you can give anyhow. Sum of the measure of three angle is 180. This is 90. 90 will go there, becomes minus. बाद में इसको शिफ्ट करने का तो DAE का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा 90 माइनस AED. एंड दिस वैल्यू अगेन वी नो 90 माइनस AED. तो दोनों को देखो, कंपेयर करो, दोनों कंपेयर करो. DAE and this, both it is same. DAE and this, see